Roadmap to become a database administrator. What does a database administrator do? A database administrator manages, secures, and maintains databases to ensure data is always available, accurate, and protected. Behind every application, every app relies on databases, and a DBA ensures that data is stored efficiently and accessed without issues. Start with database fundamentals. Learn how databases work, including tables, relationships, keys, and how data is structured. Master SQL. Understand how to query, insert, update, and manage data using SQL, the core language of databases. Work with database systems. Get hands-on with systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and other popular database platforms. Backup and recovery. Learn how to create backups and restore data to prevent loss and handle system failures. Optimize performance. Improve database speed by optimizing queries, using indexes, and managing system resources. Ensure security. Protect data by managing user access, preventing vulnerabilities, and ensuring data privacy. Explore cloud databases. Understand how databases work in cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Build real experience. Work on real-world database projects and practice managing large datasets. Be ready for challenges. Handling large data, ensuring uptime, and maintaining performance can be demanding. Think like a DBA. Focus on reliability, efficiency, and security while managing critical data systems. Protect and power data. Start your journey today and become a database administrator who keeps systems running smoothly.